organizing this closet would be to make the wooden dividers. I'm inviting you to join me in my garage to show you how I did it. Yes, are you excited? Guys, I do apologize for the mess. Usually my garage doesn't look like that. To be honest, sometimes it looks even worse, but well, it's a garage, right? Guys, so impressive. I'm absolutely in love. Fine, they're not very much even, but you know what? My project doesn't really call for the even. Thing is, I don't think it's about perfection. It's about getting things done. So yes, we did it. We're one step closer to make that messy closet so much more organized. Yes.
Organize. We're gonna organize, right?
Okay. So now the closet is empty, and we're gonna take down this shelf. This one is made of very, very thin board, and I think it's gonna serve me better on the top. This is the board that I made, and it's much thicker. I wanted to paint it white and to paint these dividers white as well, but at this point I'm just gonna go with it because I want to get it done, and I don't really care about aesthetics that much. But
I just want to get this done.
yeah, probably gonna use my crackjack. I probably should have done it in the garage, but too late. Too late! I'm using 1x4 screws because the thickness was 3/4, and yeah, let's take it from there. Let's do it fast while my baby is still sleeping. Okay, turns out this is a little bit wrong size, so I have to go and trim it a little bit.
I'm not surprised.
I was off. Can you believe this? I'm always off, to be honest. I'm still working on it. Oh my god, perfection! I love it. So now we're gonna add another shelf, and if I'm gonna be able to finish it before my baby wakes up, I'll be beyond the moon. I have to put a little knobs, a little. So yeah, because it's a dry wall, I had to add this, you see, these little things. Okay guys, I don't know about you, but I absolutely love it. Look at this. Maybe at some point in life I'm gonna paint them. What?
Nope.
But to be honest, we're probably gonna move from here before I'll get to it. Okay, the babes is up. This is the final result. Look at this. Took down that shelf and I put it on the top. I added the dividers, and let me tell you, this is such a game changer because look at this. So I can fold all the clothes and put it into the pile. These dividers, they secure the piles in its place. It's such a simple project, but it's gonna make such a huge difference in your closet if you're gonna make it. Of course, I could go fancy, you know, like and paint it, but you know what this is gonna do for now. And my motto this year is that perfection doesn't really matter, because if you're gonna try to be perfect, you're never gonna finish it. So getting things done over perfection. Yeah!
Are you with me?
And the top shelf, I put these plastic containers. As much as I would prefer to have something more sustainable, but the plastic containers are so convenient. Let me turn on the light. Opa, yeah. So put the planks on both sides, and then added this shelf. I just cut it to length. So now we can keep all the clothes on the top. So this is a simple example how a very, very simple solutions can optimize your closet to perform at its best. If you don't have a scroll saw, you don't have to go that fancy, and you can just like cut triangle like with your miter saw, and don't make this curvy little thing. But I think it looks so cute, and I just couldn't wait to try my new scroll saw. So it's like very simple upgrades that I did for my closet, but they make a huge difference. Now is my absolute favorite part. I recently got so obsessed with this little baby bag maker. It just makes everything so much more neat and organized. I'm gonna print out the guidelines for my husband, especially, you know, like what to follow and where to put what. So let's do it. So I decided to divide it in the main categories that I see that we have a lot of stuff. So there's my husband's pants. This is my husband's hoodies. Here's hoodies as well. I mean, I just moved them away so you can see the divide. Just printed it all, and then we cut it, and let's see the magic. Yay! So I feel that the secret to be organized is actually for each item to have like its own place in wherever you organize it. So for example, in this closet, it's so important to have a particular space for the pants, particular pants for the sweaters, so it doesn't get all like mumbled and rumbled together. I'm so happy how it turned out, and I'm super excited that it's finally done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and so subscribe to my channel. In the next few months, I'm gonna show you how I organize some other spaces, all this like cool fun stuff. And also, please follow me on my Instagram, because over there I post like my behind the scenes. I'll see you there. Bye!